Okay, and that was pretty much the install for the Dapper Lighting 575 headlights. This kit, if you have everything right and everything's nice and clean and ready to go, instant. Like, it'll be like an hour and a half to do that, more than likely. But it was a pretty simple install. It took me 3 days because I wanted to make sure that everything was right, and it's better to go slower than faster and mess something up. But these headlights are pretty dope. Now you're probably saying, okay, what do they look like? You showed us how to install it, how to wire it, what does it look like? You're about to find out. That's so awesome, and the headlights. It's so awesome. So, these headlights, my favorite thing. One of my favorite modifications that I've made. And even though it took me 3 days, it was worth every minute and every dollar that I've spent on these. So, it looks so good. I could literally just stand out here all night with the lights on and just look at it. Oh, seriously guys, you gotta get these.